kiddos, you just listened to the book Hello, and it was an excellent book about kindness. It was amazing how just saying one simple word really lit up that little boy's day, and his day went from being kind of a sad, lonely day to a much happier day where he was playing with his friends. So we are going to be intentional about saying some kind things to people who we care about, like our families and or a certain member in our family, or maybe even a neighbor. We're going to be making kindness clouds. And so you are going to, so what you're going to do is you're going to write your family member or friend's name in the middle of your cloud. And then you might even choose to decorate it. Like in class, I think we're going to decorate our clouds with glitter. And then you're going to use your pieces of rainbow paper and you are going to write something kind about them. So maybe you think that your mom is beautiful, so you're going to write beautiful on here. Maybe you think that your dad does a great job fixing cars, so you're going to write my dad does great fixing cars. Or maybe you're going to write this for a sister or a brother, so it might say something like, I like it when you play with me. So you're going to say all sorts of really kind things, and then you're going to attach these to your cloud. Okay, so when it comes down, you're going to have a rainbow of colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue. Don't forget the purple too, underneath your cloud. And then you're going to hang this up somewhere. So in class, we're going to cut our clouds out after we decorate them, and then we're gonna tape or glue our pieces of paper underneath, and we're going to be hanging these up in our classroom so that we can remember all the kind things that can be said to people. But for you kiddos at home, you can choose to give them to a family member or hang them in a place where they might not be expecting it. Like, I know sometimes I like to write kind notes to my daughter and put it on her mirror so that when she gets up in the morning, she sees that kind note. Or when I have to pack when I pack my husband a lunch when he's going fishing over the summer, I might put a kind note in his lunchbox, and then it's really surprising when he sees something kind. So you can decide whether you want to just give it to a family member or whether you want to hang it up somewhere and surprise them with a kindness cloud. But I want you to watch for their reaction. I am betting that whoever receives your kindness cloud, it is going to make their day just that much better. I'm excited to see your kindness clouds. Remember to take a picture, as this is your required assignment, and send it my way. I'd love to see if maybe you surprise somebody where you decided to hang it. And yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Have a great week.